to present here. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, ma'am. A very good afternoon to all of you, those who came and to see your kids' performance. First of all, I would like to talk about Quest. So the reason why we started Quest is to see the change in students. So as we train each and every student in the class, we concentrate on each and every student in the class. If they are lagging in their confidence, our main motto is to make them improve their confidence first. So we made all the students to talk something on stage without having any stage fear. So most of the students today, they are doing it on the stage as you have seen. So as the managing director of Quest, Miss Priyanka ma'am, and introducing this kind of program for students, and many of the students have performed